So today's video comes courtesy of Chinalacewig Wigs. They sent over this gorgeous ombre wig for me to share with you guys. Now I'm going to show you obviously what it looks like in the beginning of the video and how vibrant the hair is. But of course I wanted to show you guys how to basically slay your wigs in the back and kind of bond it down. I used the handy dandy Got to Be Glued. I used the natural or the original yellow as well as a little bit of this free spray. Now this free spray works amazing at helping to bond your wigs down. It also works great when you do your like curls or like your waves or whatever heat styles you do. This is an awesome spray, and together you can buy both of these for like 10-15 bucks. So I'll have them linked down below, but they were my handy dandy accomplice in this look. I'm going to slay this wig from start to finish and pretty much show you guys all the tricks of the trade of how to pretty much bond your wigs down in the back so that it'll lay super flat and look like it's growing out of your scalp. So if you are interested, go ahead and keep watching. So are you subscribed? Is your post notifications turned on? Are you a part of the squad? I don't even have a squad. I don't even know like what is our names. So if you guys are interested in letting me know, like everybody has like a squad and I don't. So what should our names be? Like I've never thought about that until right now, but like Bedeck squad, it sounds so cheesy. So let me know, leave some comments in the description bar. Whatever sounds cool, you guys can vote on it or whatever, but we need a squad. We need a squad, y'all. I'm getting better at these wigs, but I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna jump into the tutorial. Also at the end I'm gonna show you guys what the hair looks like down and slayed as well, so stay tuned for that. Now let's jump right into it. But I did receive a new wig from Chinalacewig Wigs. I had a peep at it because I wasn't sure which of the wigs that they were going to send me. So it came in this packaging here as always. And if you don't know, you're just tuning in, this actually has their logo on it as well. So they are A1 when it comes to the details. Let me know if you can name those beauty gurus. Do we still call them beauty gurus, or are we just vloggers, creators? I don't even know what we call ourselves anymore these days. But you take it out of here. The only thing is that this box always get mangled in transportation due to my careless shipping people. And then voila, so they sent over a red wig. I peeped in and seen what color it was, but I couldn't remember exactly what wig it was on the website, but it is a super fire red at the ends, and then it has dark roots. Very beautiful. I'm kind of nervous because I've never done anything like this bright. I think this is like fire Jessica Rabbit kind of red. Am I saying the right person? Like Poison Ivy Jessica Rabbit. I think I'm referencing the right people, but it's a beautiful, it's gonna come kind of short on me. I believe it's a 360. Yeah, so inside you have your normal cap construction. Have a nice amount of parting space from here to about here in the front. 3 combs in the front, and then if you flip it to the back, you also have parting space all around here as well as a comb and adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace and add an elastic band off camera just to see what we're working with, and then I'll be right back. So what's nice about the wigs from Chinalacewig Wigs is that they come pre-plucked. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a nice beautiful parting there. And then they did provide baby hairs. Baby hairs are super long, but of course I'm going to go ahead and trim them. I'm not going to bleach the knots. I pretty much just put the wig on for size. I went ahead and adjusted the straps on the back, and it fits super snug. So I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and put it into a ponytail. It comes with some really nice waves to it. And again, it fits super snug. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the rest of the lace. I cut off a little bit. I'm going to cut off the rest of the lace, and I'm going to add an elastic band. I honestly, you know what, I'm not going to add an elastic band. Let's just go with it because I really don't need it. It fits really tight all the way around. I probably can cut a little bit more lace off in the back, but you know what, let's just roll with it and see if we need it. I did pre-cut it, and then I already stitched my needle and thread, but I'm pleasantly surprised to see that the wig actually does fit super snug. Usually 360 lace wigs fit a little bit big, so when I'm going to put it in a ponytail or a bun, I'm going to need an elastic band. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how I bond it to the back. The only thing is I would practice with Got To Be Glue before I graduate and start actually, you know, putting that real Ghost Bond glue on my hair. So there already is a little bit of baby hair right here. I'm going to keep that and go around it. So I've went ahead and started the process of slaying my baby hair. It does look really full. I'm going to tweeze it just a little bit and add powder for it to look a little bit more natural at the end. But you guys get the picture. You guys have seen me do this a ton or a million of times. Now I'm going to start working the hair up into a ponytail so that I can go ahead and slay the back. Now go ahead and gel down your edges in the back if you choose to. I chose not to this time. So I'm taking a generous amount of the Got To Be Glue, the yellow one, and applying it to my baby hair. Brush that in, girl. I didn't, but I should have. So my daughter woke up. You guys know how that goes. So I've been trying to let it dry. I also started pulling down the excess baby hairs, which would cover the actual cap, if that makes any sense, so that it kind of looks a little bit more natural. And honestly, I've always felt like it doesn't really make a big difference if you bond I can't even talk. I've honestly always felt like if you bond the bag down, it really doesn't make a difference, because if the back of your wig lays flat, it's just gonna lay flat. But I definitely feel like it makes a difference. First of all, it feels a little bit more secure. I do have a little bit of excess lace back there that I need to cut later, but I definitely feel like the wig looks and feels so much better. I'm going to show you guys in the back. I didn't let the wig completely dry back there. Take some bobby pins. The baby hairs in the back are kind of wild right now because I added this. So be cautious with this spray. When you add it to, trying to like add it to the lace to help the lace to stick down, it kind of like did this weird thing with the back where each of the strands kind of like clump together, and it's not laying, it's kind of just looking like greasy or something like that. I have a ton of bobby pins kind of securing this, but let me show you guys again what it looks like from the back. I'll kind of zoom in. So yeah, practice makes perfect with this look like this. I feel like this hair, this red, is a little bit vibrant. And if you're not into it, like if, for example, if you do your hair like this and then you have somewhere to go, put it as a top knot bun so that way it doesn't look like you have like bright red hair everywhere. For example, right now I'm headed to the car dealership about to buy another car. So I probably don't want to have the bright red hair trying to buy a car, because I'm like, we're not going to sell to you. You look crazy, right? So yeah, the hair itself worked out amazingly. It was a nice wavy texture. I might take it out of this bun in just a second to show you guys the texture a little bit better, because I did not do a great job in the beginning. But while I continue to talk to you guys, something I forgot to do was to slay the lace. So you have to slay your lace. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Go ahead and leave some comments below and let me know what videos you guys want to see from me next. Also some tips and tricks on how you guys slay the back of your wigs. I know I'm going to try and tweeze it the next time so it can look even more realistic. I definitely think using something like the Ghost Bond would do even better, so that way when I take a shower tonight it won't lift. I still have been holding on to this bottle. I probably should buy another, but I've had this since last summer and I've been so scared to use it. So hopefully I'll be brave enough to try it like this week or next week. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to check out China Lace Wigs. I have the link to this wig as well as all of the details in the description bar. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.